Okay, so I just got the new e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Now, my holy grail is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Cleansing Balm, also the pharmacy one. But as you can see, I am almost completely empty. So I am going to be comparing this to this, and we'll see how it compares. This was $11, I believe. So I usually take off my eyeshadow with a makeup wipe before I go in with a makeup balm, but I'm going to leave it because I want to see how each one does taking off the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with the Glow Recipe, what I have left of it. And this is very moisturizing, and it does a really good job of getting everything off. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. I have used it once before, so I'm not going to tell you what I think. So the formula feels very similar. I would tell you if there's a smell, but I'm sick right now, so I can't smell anything. So I don't know, to be honest. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go for the brows. Oh, that did a really good job. Look at that side compared to the Glow Recipe. Oh shoot, I got this all dirty. I can't see anything now. It's on my contacts. Oh, I should have taken them out. Alright, so now add my little wristlet. It catches water like when you're washing your face. Alright, I'm going to add water and compare the foaming. The Glow Recipe one doesn't foam very much. I can't see if that one does, but I can't see. Okay. I'm going to take my makeup wipe and I'm going to go in with the eyes first. It looks like the Glow Recipe did a little bit better of a job with the eyeshadow. I think the e.l.f. did a better job with the brows though. And I had Anastasia dip brow. Okay, let me dry it off. I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and wipe and see if there's any makeup left. Okay. Nope. Nope. We're looking good. Both sides feel really soft and hydrated. And I'm actually super impressed with the e.l.f. cleansing balm, especially for the price. So yeah, if you've been wanting to try it, I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.